Nearly 3 years after the pandemic started and months after President Biden declared it over, CBS News has discovered a crisis some call just as urgent as the original demand for hospital beds.
CBS national investigative correspondent Stephen Stock found it's denying justice for millions.
You can't see it, but at courthouses across America, an emergency is unfolding.
This is absolutely a crisis.
An unprecedented backlog of criminal cases that for many has frozen the fight for justice. And it's impacting everyone, from judges to lawyers, victims to the accused.
It's insane. I have never seen anything like this.
We want justice for our son.
I don't know how it ends.
Jim and Colette Graybo's son died in February 2018.
With the trial never happening, it's kept us from moving forward.
A car hit 24-year-old Barrett as he crossed this street late at night. A security camera caught the suspect driving off after prosecutors say he left the young law student's body on a sidewalk. Barrett died days later.
When you lose a child, you miss him every day. His younger brother just got engaged, and so Barrett won't be there for the wedding. Barrett won't be his best man. And, you know, that breaks my heart.
The driver, who court records show has 4 previous DUI convictions, now faces second-degree murder and vehicular manslaughter charges. Yet neither his past nor any other evidence has made it yet into a courtroom. The trial delayed, at last count, 20 times.
We want the person who did this to pay a price, but then it just keeps going on and on and on.
It is completely unacceptable for that to happen, for that family to be treated that way.
Santa Clara County, California District Attorney Jeff Rosen says not enough people are taking this crisis seriously.
There's not accountability in our court system because cases are not moving, and we need to break through this kind of thinking and have an all-hands-on-deck approach. And the same sense of urgency that we had around COVID, we need to have around this judicial emergency.
Even coming around here right now, I'm getting my anxiety's kind of going up a little bit.
We found it's not just the victims of crime who are waiting.
You spent 2.5 years up there.
Yep. Actually, right here when it does the curve right here.
Serena Borg literally became trapped in the backlog.
I felt like I was going to die in there, like I was never going to come home.
In May 2020, Borg was charged with aiding and abetting murder after being found at the scene of a shooting.
But no.
She denied being involved, but because of the backlog, Borg could not get her day in court until October this year.
2.5 years.
Yeah.
And then they dismissed your case.
Yes.
Lack of evidence.
Lack of evidence.
I think it's a huge crisis, and I don't think the public understands it.
Borg's public defender, Alexandra Prey, says her caseload has more than doubled because of the backlog.
For 2.5 years, we knew if we could just get into a trial courtroom, the truth would come out, the facts would present themselves, and we just were consistently denied the opportunity, like, to prove her innocence.
Are you angry about that?
I am very angry, sir.
CBS News looked at more than a dozen major cities around the country and found pending criminal cases there have jumped from less than 400,000 before the pandemic to more than 500,000.
When there's no accountability for defendants, when there's no justice for victims, there's no safety for people in our community.
We are doing the best we can, using all the resources available to us.
Dallas Judge Stephanie Huff says judges get too much of the blame.
You've got the district attorney's office that is backlogged in trying to get these cases presented to a grand jury and trying to get their cases in order for trial. The defense bar has a load of cases that they're trying to deal with. And we're still in the middle of people contracting COVID.
It's an overwhelming national problem, one that brought us here to New York, home of one of the largest court systems in the country and home of a possible solution.
The clock stopped. No one knows what time it is.
New York Governor Kathy Hochul says getting that clock ticking again is a top priority.
We have an emergency. This is an indictment on all of us as a society. The wheels of justice have spun to a halt, ground to a halt.
Her plan is inspired by a project that worked in Brooklyn. Before the pandemics, courts there brought in the nonprofit Center for Court Innovation to work with judges and lawyers to help meet deadlines and reduce courtroom delays. In this pilot project, the court, working with the center, increased the number of cases it resolved within 6 months by 11%.
Every state should be taking it seriously because every state was affected by the pandemic and had similar outcomes. It's cruel. It's actually cruel for a family who shows up every time there's a court appearance because they feel they have to honor the person they lost.
Families like the Graybos, who will carry their grief for a lifetime, but want their wait for justice to end.
Justice has not been served. We're waiting for that, and we've been waiting for almost 5 years.
According to a national survey conducted by the Court Statistics Project, of the 33 states that provided data, Hawaii had the best record for clearing criminal cases last year. California had the worst. I'm Stephen Stock, CBS News.